ratemysite.app. AI Review. 7 crucial things you need to know. Let's break it down quickly and clearly, because this tool might just change the game if you run a website or online business. You can try it completely free from the first link in the description, and I'll show you why that might be the smartest move you make all week. But make sure to stick around, because there's one feature near the end that almost no one is talking about, and it's what makes ratemysite.app stand out from the crowd. So, what exactly is ratemysite.app? It's a brand new AI-powered website review tool that gives you a brutally honest, data-backed breakdown of your site's performance, user experience, SEO, and more, all in seconds. It's like getting a mini digital agency audit, instantly without the agency price tag. What makes it powerful is the way it blends AI analysis with real marketing insight. It doesn't just tell you what's wrong. It gives you suggestions you can actually use. Whether you're running a Shopify store, a blog, a portfolio site, or a full-on funnel, this AI doesn't pull punches. It scans for design flaws, call to action issues, mobile responsiveness, and even gives a score you can track over time. Another thing I love is how beginner-friendly it is. There's no need to connect your site to Google Analytics or sign up for a bunch of tools. You literally paste your URL and it starts working. Within seconds, you get a full breakdown of how well your site is doing, including clarity, engagement, structure, and speed. And here's the part that really impressed me. It doesn't just spit out generic tips like make your site faster. It identifies exactly what's slowing it down. Things like bloated images, inefficient JavaScript, or poor layout hierarchy. This is high-level UX feedback, boiled down in plain English. Now, if you're someone who builds websites for clients, this tool is a hidden gem. You can use it to instantly audit client sites, find quick wins, and even use the reports as part of your pitch. It makes you look like a pro without needing to run multiple audits or build slide decks. Also, it gives your site a score from 0 to 100, but it's not just a vanity score. It tells you where you lost points and exactly how to improve it. That score becomes a measurable benchmark you can revisit weekly or monthly. That's huge if you're serious about conversion optimization. And here's the feature barely anyone's talking about. It compares your site to competitors. That's right, it doesn't just score you, it puts your site in context with others in your niche. That's invaluable if you want to outrank or outconvert your competition. So is ratemysite.app worth trying? Honestly, yes. Especially since you can try it completely free using the first link below. If you care about user experience, SEO, and conversions. This tool gives you quick, actionable insights that would normally take hours to piece together. Try it out, see your score, and make a few of the changes it suggests. The difference might surprise you. And by the way, if you're exploring other AI tools like this, I've listed my top recommendations in the description. All of them are free to try, and I've tested thousands of AI tools to narrow it down. Check those out too.